Hello, thank you for coming back. Today I would like to show you the sound of Rickenbacker 325 V59 after some modifications. In my last video, I played same exact guitar but without modifications. And this time the modification I made are, first I changed this pickup. This is now 1966 vintage pickup, so that should make a little difference. And also I changed this wiring harness or loom, whatever you call it, to Glen's loom. This guy Glen, he makes same exact wiring system or harness loom as John Lennon's Rickenbacker that was on his guitar. So it's quite different. I'll talk about it in a bit. And I also changed my strings to Thomastik flatwound strings. These flatwound strings are very different from other flatwounds. The other ones are kind of dull and stuff, but this has bite and brightness to it. You should really try it. It's really different. And these Thomastik strings are supposed to be the closest flatwound strings you can get nowadays, closest to the one John Lennon was using on his Rickenbacker. Anyway, so enough of talking, and here is how it sounds. Now, only bridge pickup. So it's quite different. You can compare with my old video and see the difference. Now, let's talk about the harness, the loom. So right now I'm choosing this pickup only, and look, it's in a center position. That had been a big mystery for me. When I look at John Lennon's guitar, he always has, I mean most of the time, has his pickup selector in the center, but his sound is so bright. And if you didn't have the modification, if you didn't have this wiring harness, if you're middle, then you get like muddy sound. I was wondering like why does he get that kind of sound when he's using these two pickups? But the mystery is solved because of the loom, because of the harness. If it's in the middle, I'm only using bridge pickup. And other cool thing about this harness is if you go down, you can mix these two pickups, whatever you like. So first I'll just make it this pickup, bridge pickup, right? Then I can do only this one. Or I can do both. Or I can, get rid of this one just a little bit. Stuff like that. So that's really cool. You get to control a lot. And you can do the same thing with these two pickups by going up. So this is both, all the way up. Only this one. And only middle. It's really interesting. You get more sound. And let's play some solo stuff. Or So it's very interesting, and I think if you want that Rickenbacker, John's Rickenbacker sound, you should definitely try out this loom. You can ask Glen. I think if you type in Glen Rickenbacker loom, you can see his website or something. And also vintage pickup helps a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye.